Hi guys, today I'm sharing with you a game-changing kitchen gadget that could completely transform how you cook. Meet the Thermomill by Cheflor, the world's first 2-in-1 pepper grinder and thermometer. If you're like me and want precision, speed, and quality in your kitchen tools, this one is for you. I'm going to show you how it works, test its features, and tell you why this could be your new favorite cooking companion. Let's dive right in. Let's start with the pepper grinding speed because this is impressive. If you've ever struggled with slow, uneven grinding from traditional ceramic grinders, you'll love the Thermomill. It uses stainless steel SUS 420 6-star Conical Burrs, which are harder and sharper. What does that mean? Well, it grinds pepper 12 times faster than regular grinders. In fact, I put this to the test earlier while seasoning meat and vegetables, and it was amazing how quickly I could get that perfect even grind. I usually find myself standing there forever turning those old school grinders endlessly. With the Thermomill, it's effortless and much faster. Perfect when you're in a rush or cooking for a family. Now let's talk about what makes the Thermomill truly unique, the built-in meat thermometer. I think we can all agree that cooking meat to the right temperature can be stressful. You can't always tell if a steak is rare, medium, or well done just by looking at it. That's where this comes in. The thermometer gives you an instant reading in just 2 seconds, and it's incredibly accurate, down to plus or minus 0.1 degrees Celsius. It reads temperatures ranging from 0 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 10 to 120 degrees Celsius. I used it while cooking steak earlier, and it gave me the confidence to pull the meat off the heat at the exact right temperature. It took the guesswork out of the process entirely. Imagine you're hosting a dinner party and grilling steaks for everyone. With the Thermomill, you can easily season and check each steak's temperature without juggling multiple tools. It's efficient and eliminates the stress of overcooking or undercooking your food. The Thermomill doesn't just perform well, it's built to last. It's made with anodized aluminum, which makes it incredibly durable and resistant to corrosion. The Burrs shaft and thermometer probe are all made of food-grade, BPA-free stainless steel, ensuring safety and quality. It feels premium when you hold it, and you can easily tell it's designed to withstand years of use. Plus, the thicker 5mm shell helps preserve the freshness of your pepper for much longer than other grinders. I used to replace my pepper grinders every year because they wear down or stop working. The Thermomill feels like an investment. It's a tool that's built to last, and you can taste the difference with fresher pepper. Speaking of freshness, the Thermomill's thick and durable shell isn't just for durability. It helps seal in the flavor and aroma of your peppercorns, keeping them fresher for longer. That's something you don't get with lower quality grinders. Freshly ground pepper can completely transform the flavor of your food, and with a Thermomill, you're guaranteed to get that perfect seasoning every time. To wrap things up, the Thermomill by Cheflor is one of the most impressive kitchen tools I've come across. It combines speed, precision, and quality into one sleek design. Whether you're a beginner who wants to make cooking easier or an experienced chef looking for professional-grade tools, the Thermomill is for you. If you're interested in trying it yourself, head over to the Kickstarter campaign. There's a link in the description where you can support the project and be one of the first to get your hands on this incredible tool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews. Let me know if you'd like me to review more tools like this in the future. I'll see you next time.